this is a Merit blush, like a stick. I just do like that. I like it. I like it much. I don't know about you, but this is me. Cheers first. And then after that, I have this Charlotte Tilbury blush. I just want to use this, guys. Here's the blush. Okay, here's the blush. This is the blush, guys. It's so light, and I just like it because it gives you sheen on your cheek. And plus, I already have the blush to sit on this underneath. So that was already a little bit color. And look at that. Isn't that lovely? Okay, you can see the shine of my under eye, right? So let's remove it by using a powder. I have this Huda Beauty. I have to make sure that it's really tap it like this, so no excess product. And then just right there, see the comparison between. Just like that. And then I'm proceeding to my highlights this tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, brow bone, and then cupid bow. And then on my cheek, I'm going to use the other one. This is more in here. Okay, and next I'm proceeding to my lipstick. Okay.